start working. But we need to
That
assign
only
the
I
period.
have yesterday I have given replay for
Okay.
this one. You need to do this one in this way. So we need to watch these things and then you can see now if you select.
Go to the module. I think you'll get it. Come to the bottom. Ah, right, it's coming.
Whatever the year you
Coming,
select
sir.
there,
Yes,
The
yes.
months are coming.
that months only you can see. So other months you can't see. Like 2021 months you can't see. So anyway, like once check with Arshad Ahmed, Balakrishna, Arshad Ahmed, and this Fazil.
Okay. 1 minute.
Where is this Shabir? I can't see him nowadays. Shabir Ahmed.
Yesterday also he did not join. He said some issue.
Ignorant.
Arshad Ahmed.
So here I have a question. Like just now you have said. Can you repeat it once again? Uh, like
Which thing?
when we apply like all years as a parent hierarchy, it automatically comes, no, sir. We are doing it manually. So why it is happening?
All. I'm not. I didn't get your question, my friend. Please come again.
FY 20 months is there, right? In general list.
Yes.
So there in review, I have just now select that, select it as a FY 20
Okay.
parent in parent column, sir.
Yes.
Yes, yes. But whenever we apply all years as a parent hierarchy, so it automatically comes, no, sir.
Automatically will get, but the thing is if we have 2020 and 21, and if the scenario you have created for the only 20, but not
Yes,
the
sir.
scenario if you have the 20 and 21 both the years, and if you select 20, then you should get here 20 months only. If you select there 21, then you should get the 21 only. Like that is the scenario. Whatever the parent you select on top, so below that one, that child's only you should look.
You are telling this about module. I'm telling this in list, sir. General list is there, no? Just now I have created.
Yes.
Uh, you
Generalist.
made, yes, sir. In general list, FY 20 months is there.
Okay.
Therein I have assigned that as a all years as a parent hierarchy.
Okay.
Even though I was not getting
No, no,
the.
not like that. It will, first what should we do? First you need to create the list. Then you need to
Okay.
assign the parent. Then you need to insert the items. Then only it will get assigned.
Okay.
First, before creating the this items, you need to assign the parent. So then, while creating the list items, it will ask which parent should be for this list item. So then if whatever the list item you assign, it will goes under that one. But if you create the list item later, if you assign the parent, nothing will happen. So
Okay.
you need
First we
to.
have to assign it as a parent and then we have to enter the list items.
Yes, yes. That is the reason
Oh,
generalist in fourth lesson level one. Well, first we'll assign the parents for the list. Then we import the list items data.
okay, okay, sir. Got it, sir.
Okay. Anyway, we'll watch some scenarios. So how is your
Arshad
sprint?
Ahmed is getting joined shortly. I spoke to him.
Okay. So he need invitation daily. Otherwise he don't.
People are reluctant to wake up, Kashif.
Yes, yes. Once
We
check
have to
with
get
this Shabir and Fazil.
Shabir. Okay. Fazil. Chile match. Okay. Both of them are not picking the call.
Yes.
Both of them are not picking the call.
Okay. Samyuddin, one check. Samyuddin.
Samyuddin is number is not there in the group.
Samyuddin is there.
June or July?
In June only is there. July also is there. I hope
June.
both the groups is available. Yes, is there from last to second.
No, he is not found in my groups.
We'll check anyway. So yes, Balakrishna, I hope you can see my screen. So what
Yes,
was
yes.
the one of the scenario this one? So in Deloitte they have asked this question. So you can see. So they have given only this one line. So in particular module, sales module, I have. You can see. So this is one line item I have. I
One line
have
item and one time dimension,
one
right?
time dimension I have.
Hmm.
So what was their intention there? So for example, if current period, if they select May 2020, May 20 if they select as a current period. So
Okay.
if they select May 20, before May 20, before May 20, data should be locked. It should not be before May 20 it is actual current period, and after that forecast months. So we know that one, current period and non-current period. Current period means
Hmm.
so present month, before present month is the actual months, and after current period we have forecast months. So
Yes.
what was their intention whenever they select anything, any month if they select, so what was the intention? So that if I select the May, so may is the fine, but some if I click this two action button I want here, and if I select unlock here, if I run this action, what should be my answer? So if I run this one, you can see from May months onwards, unlock DCA.
Everything is clear. Everything
DCA
is
should
clear.
be get remove here. May
Ah.
2020. If I
Mm.
lock, if I want to lock, so they have provided one more action. If they run one more action, what would be our answer? So DCA should be lock. Lock
Everything.
nothing but we should not get access for the
Mm.
forecast months. So this is
Mm.
their intention. So whether
Okay.
if I select the May 20, now got this one. So if I
Mm.
select the July 20, July 2020, whatever the month I select here,
The switchover function applied with DCA.
we this is we can't say they are this is
Mm.
a switchover is fine, but they are not asking like that. So whenever
Mm.
if we select current period, and then I want enable few months, and I want to apply DCA, I don't want to apply DCA. So this is their
Okay.
intention. I selected July, then I need to run my action now. So you
Right.
can see unlock DCA.
Should take off everything. Everything should be unselected.
Not everything, it should be work with the current period. It
Okay.
should work even with our current period. You can see I have selected July months, so
Mm.
then July months onward it should be editable. So whatever the
Forecast. Mm. Mm.
our editable and non-editable should be depends upon the
Okay.
current period. So that is our main
Okay.
intention. So to get this
Okay.
functionality, what should we do? Unlock DCA, I have done unlock, and if I want to lock, everything should be only readable, not editable. So
It is
these
taking.
actions they have provided. So how I am getting this functionality is my task now. How I am getting this functionality, and what are the things I have done to get this functionality. So basically, what should we do? We need to create one module DCA with the DCA
With lock and unlock.
DCA with time 2. I will create, already I have created time 1. So time 2. Then you can see what are the line items we need. Sales line item they have given. Sales line item they have given. So that is a number format. Generally, if you don't insert any formula, everything will be editable here. We know very well. Every year will be editable if I don't have formula. So what is our next task?
Create the buttons.
I will remove this past year to 1 only. Bring 1. Yes. Yes. So if I want to control these line items for the according to my current period, current time period, so what should I do? First of all, I need to create 3 more line items. What are the 3 more line items here? First
Lock.
I need
Lock.
to create the forecast, forecast months,
Actual.
and DCA read, DCA read,
Right.
DCA write. We need to write these line items, and one line item I need to create false. False. So I have completed this one. So these all line items should be
Booleans.
boolean. You should give the boolean line items here. So we need to, first of all, the interviewer question is, we need to create the two buttons. Means what is the two actions that are the two imports, correct? So one
Yes,
is
yes.
two imports. So one is we should unlock the DCA, one should
Lock.
lock the DCA. So the two things we have, and lock the DCA nothing but the, we should don't give edit access for anything. So that is
Read
the one
only.
thing.
Hmm.
So and unlock the DCA nothing but we should give the right access for the
Current period
forecast
onwards.
months,
Ah.
forecast months, current period onwards. So the two things we have. So false, we need to write the two formulas here. So basically, so I want all months as a, I don't want any DCA to all months. Whenever if I want to log DCA, I want false. Every month I need to don't get true. So that is for the false month. And what is my forecast months? Yes.
What, whatever the selected month as a
Forecast months, we
current
have
month.
one logic here. What is our logic? Forecast months. How should we get our, what is our forecast months? Item of time,
Item of time of
item of time less than
ACC.
or equal to, yes, less than or
Current.
equal to, we need to
Current
use
month.
the here period function, then current period start, current period start function we should use. So then if I use this one, what happened, you can see. If I use this function, what happened, you can see. So forecast months, so which current period we have here?
Whatever we selected here.
If I select March 2020, it should get, what are the months I am getting here? Item of time not less than here, so greater than here. If I want, these are the actual months, you can see.
Hmm.
Less than means actual I am getting, correct? Less than means
Yes.
actual. If I write greater than, I will get
We'll
the
go to the
forecast months.
forecast. Yes, was right.
So you can see whatever the current month you select, so from that month onwards you can see the forecast months. So this is my logic I have created. I have created one logic with the current month selection. Whenever I select that months, you can see the current month, forecast months. I got this one. So what should I do? So this, what are the, for, we need to apply the, for sales line item we need to apply the DCA read and write, DCA read and write basically. For DCA read, what formula, when it should be read, should it read for
Then,
every month or not? Every time.
yes.
Every time it should read. We need logic for the write only, correct? Edit only we need problem. So if I want to, don't want, if I want to log DCA, then we don't want to give any access to anyone. So log the DCA nothing but you have here false. I have false, I have written if I have imported false to DCA right, then what happened in this action?
Please.
Everything will be false only here. And this forecast months, for forecast months, if I import into DCA right, what happened? Only forecast months it will get true. Correct or not? If I
Yes.
create I
Yes.
will create one saved view DCA log. So first of all, what I do, simply I will create the show selection. So DCA lock, create as a DCA lock.
Asibhai, in the last line item, no need to write any formula, right?
No, we need to write if I want to get the false. I need to get the false, correct?
Hmm.
So that is the reason I should get. I need to write the false. Then only every time it will get the false.
Okay.
I don't get any month true for this one. So I want action now. What action I want to? I want to DCA lock. DCA lock nothing but the I want to false for the every month. So you can see simply I will import here DCA false to DCA right I am doing. False to DCA right. How I can do the import means simply I will click on import,
View. Ah,
connect,
save views.
and so where is my DCA lock?
Hmm.
You can see DCA lock. Time to DCA lock. If I click this one, I need to check from where to where should I import false to
DCA right.
DCA right. So Arshad, daily you need invitation to
No,
join the class.
no, I'll join actually. I'll join early. Sure.
So you can see here uh, false to DCA right I have done. Then I need to click on import. So if I do this import, what happened you can see for DCA right. So everything in this action,
Everything false.
everything will be empty.
False.
Everything will be empty. So everything will be empty. This is the one action DCA lock. I want to unlock the DCA. So if I want to give access only the future months, forecast months. So what should I do? First of all, I need to create the
Another view.
another view. I in that one forecast months only I should this line item only I need to select. Click on save as
Unlock.
DCA unlock. So if I create this saved view DCA unlock, so I need to go to my default view. So
Import.
here I need to import from the saved view of DCA
Unlock.
unlock to DCA unlock is my saved view. I need to select this one. So I need to check these tabs. So here from forecast months to for which month should I
Unlock.
import
Right.
DCA right.
DCA right. Yes. So if I do this one, what happened for DCA right? Yes.
It
You
will
can
come
see
whatever we
we
selected in
get
the
true for the
forecast.
forecast months. Whatever the current period we have select, you can see. So that months will get select. So I have done import. Then I got two actions now. So if I got these two actions, so then what is the next thing? We need to apply this DCA read and write to the. We need to apply the DCA read and write to the
Link.
our
Link.
sales line item.
Yeah. link, we need to link that. Come right.
We need to write the sales line item. Try to watch this formula: item of time greater than or equal to period, current period, start. Just we are creating one logic where we are identifying the what are the forecast months. Correct? So if I want to know actual months, what should I do here? If I,
Less
for
than,
example, if I want to
less
know
than or equal to.
less than or equal to, that's it. Create actual months boolean format, then item of time less than or equal to period, current period, start. So I need to apply the DCA read and write here. DCA time to read, DCA time to write. So this one we need to write. Now you can see, so you can see few months of forecast months are editable and actual months are non-editable. So this is fine. I will publish this one to new UX page. I will publish to
Dashboard.
DCA example dashboard. I will publish only where I can see the only one line item. Where is my March 2020? Why I got this one? 1 minute. Which one I have published? So you can see this one. I will publish. You can
So
see.
the buttons are automatically coming once you select the dashboard.
No. We need to. That is already existing one. We need to create the buttons.
Okay.
Just now I have created 5 minutes before.
Okay.
First of all, we need to publish to dashboard. You can see, if I click like this, I will get the this. First of all, I will get the this grid. This grid I will get. Then now I will get the. I need to publish that buttons as well. Whatever the buttons just now I got. You can see DCA time with DCA lock and unlock. So I need to rename this action. We need to publish these actions to the dashboard. Simply we need to DCA lock, and I will add one more action, DCA unlock. Now you can see, this is the, you can see I have the forecast months are editable now. So on the base of current month selection, I have the forecast months are editable. I want to lock DCA. I will run the action. What should be my answer?
Everything should be freezed.
Everything should be freeze. Nothing is the editable. Forecast months and every months are, you can see, forecast months also non-editable, only readable. So I want to unlock the DCA. So I will simply run the action.
Like current month onwards, it is editable.
Current month onwards it is editable. So now I have selected current month March 2020. If I select the Jan 2020 as a current month, so I will select the Jan 2020 and I will check how it is working. So if I select Jan 20, so again
You need to run that.
we need to run the action. So you can see I want to unlock the DCA. Unlock the DCA means I will run this one. Already it is unlocked, but I want to new current period data I want to unlock.
Kind of refresh.
Yes. So January 2020 I have selected the current period. I need to get the January 2020 and months onwards editable.
Yeah, working.
Is it clear how it
20.
is working?
Yes, yes.
So basically whenever if they ask any question, so we need to think and what are the logics we need to create and or how we need to get that functionality. So basically your DCA, so if I want lock or unlock any line items, generally we'll use the DCA, that we get to know, but
Mhm.
they don't satisfy. We will apply the DCA. If they say this one they don't satisfy, they will ask how you apply the DCA, what logic will create, so how we are creating these logics. So to get this button DCA lock and unlock buttons, what are the things we are doing? So for lock what we are doing and unlock what we are doing. Lock nothing but simple you can do. So lock action is the we need to get only read access. So that is the reason simple we have created one false line item, and simply for false line item we have created the we have written the formula also false, and we have imported into DCA right. That's it. That is enough. Everything will be locked. DCA lock. We don't get any access. Every month only readable access only will get. But the thing is writable, editable access is the we need to think. For DCA write, I need to import from the this forecast months line item. That too we need to create item of time greater than or equal to item of time nothing but this what is the current time.
Time is
Current
the
time
time.
is greater than period of current period start. So our time is above the current month selection,
Greater than or equal to.
greater than or equal to from that month onwards. So we'll get the forecast months. So in this way we'll get this one. So this if I write this logic I will get the future months, and then we can decide that. So if these actions if I run, so simply, and this should be for DCA read we need to always true. So that is the reason we have given here the formula as a true. So that's it. We have applied this DCA read and write in the sales line item. We have created everything, but if we don't apply DCA read and write to here, nothing will happen. DCA read access driver and write access driver. DCA read access driver and write access driver. So we need to give. So if we do this one, what happens?
It will work like lock and unlock whenever we select.
Yes, yes. So in this way it will works, and so this and last time we have done one different type DCA. Like what was the DCA? Only on the base of two dimensions. On the base of two dimensions combination, if I want to DCA, what should we do? There also same procedure we have created. The thing is DCA read and write line item we have created in our target module, same like this. But read we have given the true there, and for write we have created the one formula. So whatever the combination we want, so that with that combination we have created one dimension, and with that dimension we have written the one lookup formula, correct? So that one
Yes.
we have written, so that is a different scenario. So this is a different, this is a current period based scenario, this one,
Hmm.
correct? So last time whatever we
This
have done,
formula, Asibai, you have taken item of time, greater than or equal to period, right? This
yes,
formula we have directly we cannot take current period start or period is necessary.
try to write down, Arshad Ahmad.
Okay.
Okay, try to
No, no,
write
just I'm
down.
asking because
Okay, you write down, nothing will happen. Try to write down it. What error throws, you can understand. Okay, if you implement, you can remember for the long time. That's what I am saying.
okay,
So
okay,
you
Asibai.
can try to write down whatever we thoughts will get. We need to implement. Then we'll get error or something there, so that we can identify, yes, why we are getting this one, so that we can remember for the long time.
Okay, okay, Asibai. Sure.
So you can see here, like same thing we have created. So DCA here, target module and log module we have seen earlier, same concept. We have created this, you can see DCA target module, DCA target module, and how we will control this input line item. So if we have some data here, so what is the format we have here? So input is the number. You can see for DCA, read we have given the true, and write we have given DCA log, DCA log module, DCA write. Nothing but this module we have taken as a reference here. Lookup functional area, comma lookup geo. So you can see here, on the base of this functional area and lookup, this geo, on the base of these two things we got. If I select here functional area and geo, we'll get the, what is the format we have functional area. Do we have functional area items or not? So it is not showing.
It's like blank list. I don't have.
Yes, functional area, we have created functional area, and
The values are not existing. There.
functional area we have, and accounts we have. Anyway, this DCA lock module we have taken as a reference here, and
Ah.
on the base of this DCA lock module, whatever the combination we want, we don't want editable, we have unselected, and this we have given as a reference in the DCA target module. So then what happened? We got the only whatever the combination we have given as a access, right access, that line items we got the editable here, and whatever the line items we didn't get, we have removed access in the access driver module. That combination we have removed, correct? So
Okay.
in that way it will works. So whatever we are
Okay.
trying to do, so already we have done this one as well. So try to implement this one, whatever I have explained now, and show it me, everyone.
Okay. So, Asiba, I'm getting everything except that dashboard buttons. I will try it.
Why once show your screen, and why you are not getting button, I will check it.
1 minute.
Just you need to